Hi everyone, I'm Mo. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this protective style I've been rocking for a month now. By the time y'all watch this video, it's probably going to be out of my head. But I did use Q Jumbo Silicalese Twists. I got 2 packs of 27 and 1 pack of 30. The packs come in 12, and I got and I used like every single last pack. So yeah, so I'm just gonna right now take out my packs and get them ready for the process. As y'all see, my hair is already braided in mini braids, so all I gotta do is install. It ain't tricking if you got it. Hope I get it, I wish. If I get it, I split. These niggas get it. This video is also a collab with Contagious Clark. Go subscribe to her channel. I have all her information down below. She has amazing videos, a lot of content. Go subscribe, y'all. I had a great time collabing with Clark. Starting from the back, and I'm clipping my hair up out of my way. So yes, I'm starting from the back, and I don't have like a specific way I'm installing the twist, like by like the colors or anything. But once y'all see my process, yeah, so I'm putting my crochet needle at the base of my braid. Then I'm taking any twist, doesn't matter, any color twist, and then I am putting it in the hoop, or latching it on the hoop, closing the latch, and then pulling it through, and of course like looping the Senegalese twist through the pre-loop that they have there, and then basically twisting my braid in the twist. Y'all gonna see that process, pretty easy, and I do this all throughout my head. All the fallen soldiers, rest easy. Let's get it. I hope I make my next move be my best move. Do what I want, and you do what niggas let you. Mama praying for me, she know I forget to. There been a handful ever since I met you. That was like August 27, 1996. But that get you about 20, like you caught with 9 bricks. Introduced to crime sense, started out by 5, 6. Auntie told me just take what you want from stores, ain't buy shit. Moms told me you gon' be a doctor or be a lawyer. Dad told me make them need a doctor, go beat that boy up. That's when I stopped listening. Just cause they older, that don't mean they got the instruments to make all your decisions in life. We know what's wrong and what's right. Once you reach a certain age, that shit don't come overnight. Like your main bitch, side bitch don't come over right. Never shit at where you sleep and make her come on a flight. Make her come in the whip, bad from or the Ritz. It ain't tricking if you got it, hope I get it, I wish. If I get it, I split, these niggas get it and dip. I could've swept the floor with niggas, but I did it in 6, cause it's the playoff. We playing back to back, shit ain't no day off. Just tryna make this shit pay off. Run up and we can have a spray off. Nigga let the K off. It's when to go home in the playoff. Cause it's the playoff. We playing back to back, shit ain't no day off. Try and make this shit pay off. Nigga let the K off. It's when to go home in the playoff. It's when to go home. My man went home. Nigga was just here and he vanished, homes. It was him and like 2 more that van slid on. Got your obituary taped up on a pamphlet on my wall. We rise, we fall, we live, we ball. Well, one day you just didn't live to see it. Represent you some way. I don't rest on Sunday. Rest when there's no more air. Left in my left lung day. Somehow America gon' know your name, nigga. I lost my homie and I charged it to the game, nigga. The streets where I walk with something that's gon' tame niggas. Y'all keep that heat, we keep that heat. Dwayne, nigga. Yeah. We in the playoffs. All these shots is going in, so they are. Don't put no work in, you get laid off. You can take the day off. It's when to go home in the playoffs. in the playoff. We playing back to back, so ain't no day off. Just trying to make this shit pay off. Nigga, let the K off. It's when to go home in the playoff.
R.I.P. Everybody I lost, everybody you lost too. All the fallen soldiers.
Let's get it. I hope I make my next move, be my best move. Do what I want, and you do what niggas let you. Mama praying for me, she know I forget to. There been a handful ever since I met you. That was like August 27, 1996. But that get you about 20, like you caught with 9 bricks. Introduced to crime sense, started out by 5, 6. Auntie told me just take what you want from stores, ain't buy shit. Moms told me you gon' be a doctor or be a lawyer. Dad told me make them need a doctor, go beat that boy up. That's when I stopped listening. Just cause they older, that don't mean they got the instruments to make all your decisions in life. We know what's wrong and what's right. Once you reach a certain age, that shit don't come overnight. Like your main bitch, side bitch don't come over right. Never shit at where you sleep and make her come on a flight. Make her come in the whip, bad from or the Ritz. It ain't tricking if you got it, hope I get it, I wish. If I get it, I split, these niggas get it and dip. I could've swept the floor with niggas, but I did it in 6. Cause it's the playoff. We playing back to back, shit ain't no day off. Just tryna make this shit pay off. Run up and we can have a spray off. Nigga, let the K off. It's when to go home in the playoff. Cause it's the playoff. We playing back to back, shit ain't no day off.
This right here is the finishing look. And I did buy jewelry and everything, so y'all about to see how my hair was just popping. It did take me, I'll say altogether, the braids and the installment, it did take me about a good 4 hours. I love this style. I would do my parts and how I did my hair differently, like how I braided my hair differently. But other than that, I love this style. I'll do it again. This style lasted the same amount of time that it needed it to. So no longer than a month. Well, would have went longer than a month, but I didn't want to. No protective style should. Take care of your hair. But anyways, guys, I love this style and I'll do it again and again and again. So if y'all liked it as well, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias. And you already know, guys, I'll definitely see y'all next time.
R.I.P. Everybody I lost, everybody you lost too. All the fallen soldiers.
Let's get it.